Howdy YouTube, Darlington Farm here. As you can see, I got a new toy. I got a job coming up where I got to do a crap load of air arcing. Sadly, I can't take any video or pictures down there because I had to sign an NDA, but lots of air arcing, and it should be kind of a long project, about 6 weeks or so. I got a bunch of aluminum. I'm going to build a flatbed for this truck here, but I've got gas in my new toy here. I got oil in the motor. The air compressor manual doesn't say anything about any kind of break-in, but basically everything I've ever read about air compressors is, you know, you run them unloaded for a half hour or so to break in the compressor. So that's what I'm going to do. Couldn't find anything on the Quincy site, but let's see if we can get it fired up here. I got gas in there. Let's see if it will start. First pull! Alright YouTubes, well I am pissed off. I got an oil leak, it looks like coming out of this bolt right here, and I got another one on the other side over there. You can see it from here. Yeah. What the hell? I have always bought anything I can with a damn Honda engine, so I didn't have problems with it. I have to use this thing probably week after next. I don't know if it looks like they just maybe didn't tighten the bolts on the back of the motor here. I'm gonna stick a wrench on there and see if I can snug them up. But yeah, Quincy, you guys need to QC your motors from Honda a little bit better. Alright, a little 12mm wrench to snug those bolts up. They actually felt pretty loose, so I'm hoping it was just somebody having a bad day at the Honda factory, because I really need to get this thing running. Alright YouTubes, well, I tightened up those two bottom bolts there, just about a quarter turn, and plugged my air arc into it here and let it run for about half hour. And what's really cool is on my compressor I've got in the shop there is a 5-horse electric. And the one I've been renting, that's another 5-horse, like it just drains it down to nothing. And so you basically got very little pressure knocking if you just, you know, continually run this thing. But with this thing, it never drops below 100 pounds. It got down nearer to 100, but it stayed right there. So hopefully everything is going to be good. I am really hoping I don't have any issues with this. I'm just gonna probably let it run tomorrow. It's getting kind of late. I kind of want to go to bed. So anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. I will definitely bring you some more content here shortly. I can show you my stack of aluminum here, getting ready to start on an aluminum flatbed for that truck. So I got some 6-inch channel here and a bunch of 3-inch channel. Basically, I need to get this done in a hurry, and I just cleaned out my local steel yard as far as the aluminum they had. So not exactly what I wanted, but it will have to do because I'm kind of in a hurry. And then I had them order me a sheet that's 7 foot wide by 9 foot long, so I can go ahead and use that for the diamond plate top or 3/16 top on my bed. Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. There's my new toy back there, Quincy 7.5 horse, what is QT 7.5. Yeah, Quincy, do better quality assurance there on your Honda motors. Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. Please subscribe. Have a good weekend.